Hello students, welcome you all in the e-learning class of DAV Moyle Public School for Standard 10. Today we are going to perform one science activity on the topic fusion and budding with the help of prepared permanent slides. Before going to start our activity, some points need to be noted, like for writing activity, take A4 size paper or plain paper or chart paper. Mention your name, standard, section and roll number on it. After that, write down activity name, objective and material required, process with observation table and learning outcomes. Our today's activity to study binary fission in amoeba or paramecium and budding in yeast or hydra. Materials required: a compound microscope, permanent slides or binary fission in amoeba or paramecium. Budding in yeast or hydra, charts of binary fission and budding. Objectives: to understand the concept of asexual reproduction in living organisms. Process: focus the slide under power of compound microscope. You can use 10x or 40x compound microscope. Second, observe the stage in binary fission and budding. Draw diagram of stages in binary fission and budding. Learning outcome: understand the concept of asexual reproduction in hydra and amoeba. Look at the given image which shows the actual process of binary fission in amoeba and budding in yeast cell. In binary fission, the parent cell is divided into two daughter cells, and in budding, each cell is divided into two daughter cells. We can say that the parent cell, when it goes multiply by the process of asexual reproduction, two daughter cells are going to be formed. I hope you understand today's activity. We again meet with new activity. Till then, stay at home, be safe, be happy.